You've done the work of choosing your course topic and identifying your ideal learners. Now it's time to focus on how you will structure your course to meet the needs of your learners. A great way to do this is by creating learning objectives. Learning objectives are statements that describe what learners should be able to do after completing your course. For example, some of the learning objectives for this course are: use the Udemy Marketplace Insights tool to identify in-demand topics and refine your course topic. Identify the ideal learners for your course, etc. Writing learning objectives is important because they help us define what we should teach, how we should teach it, and how we might measure our success at teaching it. Learning objectives should be demonstrable, meaning a learner can demonstrate that they've achieved a learning objective through action, and measurable, meaning an instructor can measure whether a learner has achieved a learning objective through assessment. For example, the learning objective, identify the ideal learners for your course, is demonstrable because you, the learner watching this course, can demonstrate your ability to identify the ideal learners for your course by answering the questions I shared in the last section. It's measurable because I, your instructor, could review a description of your ideal learners to see whether you identified them for your course. It's important to create learning objectives for your course because they convert your ideal audience's needs, what they want to get out of your course, into goals for what they will be able to do after taking your course. Having this list of goals gives you, the instructor, direction for structuring your course by clarifying what content you need to cover, how deeply, and what activities you should include to ensure learners can meet the objectives. In the next lecture, I'll explain how to convert your audience's needs into goals and write your learning objectives. Then, we'll do an activity to help you write learning objectives for your course.